Hi seniors, I'm Miss Solis, a counselor here at Paloma Valley High School, and I'm so excited to have this time with you. I want to take a few minutes to talk to you about financial aid. The financial aid application is going to open October 1st of 2022, and we want to help you, support you in getting your application submitted. Today we have some of our staff from the College and Career Center that are going to talk to you. Right now at this time, to prepare for October 1st, you can start creating your FSA ID. The two applications are going to be the FAFSA free application for federal student aid and the California Dream Act application that will open October 1st. So please stay tuned and we'll give you some more information.
Hi seniors, this is Jessica from the College and Career Center. I'm the College and Career Tech. I'm so excited for you guys to be ready for this financial aid stage. So pretty much I want to let you know the application opens October 1st for FAFSA and CATA. We have been calling seniors to create their FSA ID just to get ready. And just so you know, we do have Kickoff to College, which is taking place Wednesday, October 12th. Please check your emails. We're going to be sending out a lot of emails regarding this, so I just want to make sure you guys are ready and just be prepared to check your emails.
Hello seniors, I'm Miss Julie Ramirez. I'm here at the Career Center. I will be available. I'm the Council of College Success Coach. I will be available Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. We will have the link here for you. We're preparing students to get ready for their FAFSA application. Please, if you need help, we are there for you to help you create an FSA ID to begin your application. Thank you so much. Students will need their social security number that applies to you. It is important to look at your social security card while you are creating your FSA ID online. Do not feel rushed. Take your time, double, triple check the information, and make sure that it is the right one while you're looking at the social security, especially because this information is going to be verified.
Students, please make sure to check your email as we will be sending out an email with this PowerPoint. This form right here is available for you as well at the College and Career Center. If you don't use this form, just make sure you write your information somewhere safe. You will try to remember this information in the future, so just make sure you keep this somewhere safe.
So with that said, thank you very much for listening. We want you to know that we are here as a resource to help you. Please do not feel overwhelmed. It is very important that you try to get this done as soon as possible and try to do it here with us to avoid any errors. Again, it's going to open October 1st and you're going to have our information and get a hold of us at the Career Center. Thank you so much.
And we will have workshops as well throughout the year. So please check your emails. If you do have any questions, feel free to stop at the College and Career Center. I am here every day, Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 4. So feel free to stop by before school, after school, during lunchtime, or during your class time if the teacher gives you a pass. Thank you for watching.
Hi seniors, my name's Lena, and I wanted to invite you to the College and Career Center. I've gotten a lot of help from them this year. I'm applying to UCSB and UCSD, and I hope you come by and see us and get some help too.